friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see names of vegetables in German. So very common vegetables we'll take and how they pronounce we'll see. So we'll start. First one is cabbage. Cabbage is called as Kohl. K-O-H-S, Kohl. Cucumber is Gurke. G-U-R-K-E, Gurke. Then comes onion. Onion is Zwiebel. Zwiebel, because Z is pronounced as, when we combine T and S together, it is just like that, it is Zwiebel. Then bell pepper is paprika. So, these red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, these are called as paprika. For yellow bell peppers, it is called as gelb paprika, because yellow is called as gelb in German. So there is a separate video on my channel called Names of Colors in German. You can go through it. And red paprika is called, or red bell pepper is called as root paprika. Lemon is called as citron. It is called as citron. Lettuce is Hof salad. Lettuce is Hof salad. Actually, salad meaning salad in English. So it means the leaves which are used in salad, they are called as Hof salad, lettuce. Then potato is Kartoffel. Tomato is tomato, very much similar to English. Broccoli is, pronunciation is broccoli only, though the spelling is different. The double C is replaced by double K, but the pronunciation is exactly same as in English. Zucchini, same. There is no change in spelling also, and in pronunciation also, it is the same as in English. Radish is radish. It is called as radish. Pumpkin is kürbis. K-U with umlaut, R-B-I-S, kürbis. Cauliflower is Blumenkohl. Now, if you see, Kohl is cabbage and Blumen is actually flowers in German. So, Kohl is cabbage and cauliflower. They belong to the same family of vegetables. So, it is called as cauliflower or Blumenkohl. Carrot is Karotte. Garlic is Knoblauch. That K, you have to pronounce that K. Knoblauch. Ginger, it is Ingwer. And spinach, it is Spinat. Very much similar to English, but it is called as Spinat. Whenever SP comes together, it is pronounced as Spor and not Spor. So these are the few very common vegetables. We have seen their names and pronunciations. So that's all for today. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. That's all. Okay, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.